Featuring Brendan Brazier's Ultimate Recovery Smoothie from Thrive Forward, a free personalized online program to transform your health through plant-based nutrition. Whether your goal is to manage your weight, enhance athletic performance, or find a nutritious option on the go, there's a Vega product made for you.
How to make Vega's Ultimate Recovery Smoothie. Voice your opinion. Leave a comment. Start with 1 cup of coconut water. Next, add 1/4 a cup of superfood goji berries. Then add 1 cup of berries, such as raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, or cherries. Or if berries are out of season or you just run out, try adding nutritious actives powders. Then add 1 banana. Next, add 2 tablespoons of maca powder. Then add 1 scoop of Vega Sport plant-based protein. Last, add 2 cups of ice. Secure the lid. With Blendtec, press the Smoothie button. With Vitamix, start on speed 1, turn the machine on, and slowly increase to speed 10. Then flip it to high. Use the tamper if necessary. Enjoy this ultimate recovery smoothie after an extra grueling workout. You will nourish your muscles and your taste buds with this super delicious recovery smoothie.
Whether your goal is to manage your weight, enhance athletic performance, or find a nutritious option on the go, there's a Vega product made for you.
Subscribe to our Blender Babes channel for updates and free giveaways.
Check out more great recipes at blenderbabes.com.